Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after that very first bite? Where does it go, and how does it become the energy that keeps you alive? The answer lies in a hidden world inside you, the digestive system, the silent engine of life. It all begins in the mouth. Teeth crush and grind, while saliva, a blend of water and enzymes, starts breaking down starches into simple sugars. Digestion begins before you even swallow. Then, with one smooth motion, the food slides down the esophagus, guided by rhythmic waves called peristalsis, pushing it toward the stomach. Here, acids roar to love. The stomach churns and mixes, turning solid food into a soft, creamy liquid called chyme. Next, a blend
fluorine
ready to
flows
release
into the small intestine, the true powerhouse of digestion. Bile from the liver dissolves fats, while enzymes from the pancreas finish the breakdown. Tiny villi absorb nutrients, sending them racing through your bloodstream to power the heart, the brain, and every living cell. What remains moves into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and friendly bacteria complete the process. Finally, waste exits the body, the last act in this cycle of life. From a single bite to the spark of energy that fuels your every move, the digestive system is a quiet masterpiece, turning every meal into the miracle of life itself.